Hello guys, what's up? After a long break, I have uploaded a new traveling video. Right now, I am in Koraput and I am traveling to Gupteswar Cave Temple of Odisha. You must be wondering, like, what is the cave is all about? The cave is all about like Lord Shiva. It is a world famous pilgrim site situated about 55 kilometer away from Jaipur Koraput district in the state of Odisha. It is said that the linga size is increasing every year, and that is the most mysterious fact about this cave. So it is a beautiful nature. You will be finding a lot of natural scenic view right now, and I hope you will be enjoying it. Thank you. East a place by Paliguda, which is 25 kilometer from Jaipur. And as we didn't had any breakfast, so we are having breakfast, which is rava dosa. So this is mostly there are mostly many tiffin centers here. You can have authentic Odia food, which will contain rava dosa, idli, puri, upma. It's a with mutton curry and different kind of chutneys. And this is a mid market which will contain all vegetable shop, grocery shops you will be having. And now we are starting our next trip from here, next page of the trip. Yeah, let's start. The best part of traveling to the cave is that you will go through a forest, which is a very dense forest you will go through, and you will not find so much of crowd and all. It will be very less few people who will be traveling, and some are the local village people who will be guiding you to the temple. So guys, we have arrived at the Kolab river, which is also called Sabari river. It is one of the main tributaries of Godavari, and it is nearby to the cave. So people enjoy the view of the river, how it flows, and the other side of the river is Chhattisgarh is connected. Both Chhattisgarh and Odisha is connected through the river. So yeah, now after that we'll be going towards the cave, so wait for it. So guys, if you are coming here to visit the cave, be ready to take the stairs, and it will be a very good workout. So enjoy the stairs. So you must have glance of Lord Shiva in the Gupteshwar cave, in the main cave. So now we are out of it and we are going into the first temple, which will come when you are arriving to the Gupteshwar cave. So mostly people first go to this temple and then they go to the second temple, but we arrived in the second part. So here is Lord Rama and Hanumanji's murti, and here you can see another Lord Shiva linga is there. So after this we'll be having lunch. As this temple is above the hill and there is no much hotels like big hotels. Here there are small shops like dhaba kind of shops. You will have very authentic Odia food, vegetarian food. So we are having a very simple food, which is rice, dal and some mixed curry and one bhujia and pampad. This is a very simple dish you can have. So here comes the end of our trip. We are returning as the cave is near to a dense forest, so we are returning early because we are two people we came, so that's why we're returning. Wait for the next video. Do like, subscribe and share to others if you like it.
Yeah.